Oh my god, guys, I'm out! What's up, guys? It's Circuston here. But today, guess what? Pyramid with cards. But first, subscribe to my video and smash the like button because it is so hard. Shout out to Lancelot Hockey because he made this video possible. But first, you will need a card. Yes, alright, a card. So let's start the video. But first, in that tutorial, you will need a base, which is the base of the pyramid, and which has 8 cards. Then the second line, which has 4. Then the last line, which has 2. Okay, let's start. So guys, this is the first you will be making. Then the second is you'll make another 2, 2, then 2, so that you can make 8 of them. And another 2. Guess what? It's a joke! No! It's 6 on the base. Then 4, then 2, okay? Yeah. So guys, this is the base of our pyramid of cards. Then the top of it is the 4 cards, and the top of 4 cards is 2. So this is the second layer or line of the pyramid cards. So we'll be making the last one. Guys, this is the last one. Oh my god, it's so hard. Oh my god, guys, look at this. It moved, but it didn't break. But today, now, this is the last one. Okay, let's make it the camera. Oh my god, guys, I'm out! So guys, I'm done with this video. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and please be patient.
I don't wanna be